Welcome! We are a team of online education experts ready to make your learning engaging and effective. Forget about boundaries. We offer learning anywhere, anytime, adapting to your lifestyle. Make yourself at home in the world of learning. Our comprehensive online materials, including video lectures, articles, and assignments, are designed to cater to your educational needs from the comfort of your own space. Track your progress and evolve in real time with our dynamic grading system and constructive feedback, creating a continuous loop of improvement. Immersion and practice is our priority. We've created interactive cases and projects for you to apply your knowledge. Personalized approach is our key to success. Each student receives individual attention and support from our instructors. We believe in you. Our students achieve great heights, and you're no exception. Let's together create your success story. Start your journey to new knowledge and opportunities today. Join us and discover the world of endless possibilities in online education.